Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Production Manager and you are watching Automania. Guys, today I am at Datta Automobiles Private Limited, Durgapur, who are the sole distributors and sellers for Hero motorcycles. Well, I am here for a special cause actually to precise it up and to say it in a short way. Hero MotoCorp India is giving out somewhere around 1300 motorcycles, 1300 Glamours to West Bengal Police, and well, that's really a very good initiative by Hero MotoCorp. And out of the 1300 motorcycles, 56 will be given from Datta Automobiles Durgapur, and well, those will be given today. And out of that 56, it is divided into Paschim Bardhaman and Purba Bardhaman, and we have something from the northern part of Bengal as well, Kalimpong as well. Something like 4 or 5 will be given to those places, and 1 for Kolkata. So well, it's a great initiative by Hero MotoCorp, and yes, that's the reason I'm here. Today's date is 2nd of June, and well, I don't know when I'll be posting this video, depends upon when I'm getting time to edit this actually. Well, yes, I think it will be an interesting day, and we'll try to find out how the event move forward. Till then, if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, do me a favor, subscribe to Automania and press the bell notification icon so that you get the updates immediately after we upload any kind of videos. And by the way, there is also a video where we review the latest Vstorm from Suzuki. If you have not watched that video, do go to the description box, the links is there. You can go and have a look there. The video is really awesome, guys. And yes, there were some questions that why am I not posting videos regularly. Like yes, I know for the last 1 or 2 months I am not consistent at all. Previously I was uploading around about 2 to 3 at least 4 videos a week, but now it came down to 2 or 3. And actually I am occupied with some work because yes, कुछ बड़ा होने वाला है बहुत ही जल्दी, and for that you need to work, you need to earn. That's a simple fact. So yes, I am occupied with some work, and that's the reason I am not able to edit videos so frequently. And anyways, we will be coming back to the form very soon, and yes, I'll try to post videos as regularly as possible, guys. So bear with me, stay tuned to Automania, and yes, keep loving, keep supporting. So let's see how this event progresses. This portion is you're watching Automania. Let's get started with today's video. To be frank, this is one of my favorite motorcycles of all time, the Xpulse 204V. I'm gonna ride this back home very soon, guys. I cannot resist myself. Frankly speaking, guys, this is one of my favorite motorcycles in my bucket list. Yes, superbikes are there, but if you talk me about versatility and going for long tours and visiting unknown places, no bike is better than the Xpulse 204V, at least for me. This is what I feel. By the way, the review of this bike is also streaming in my channel. You can have a look. Well, it's a great motorcycle, guys.
হিরো মোটরকর্পের তরফ থেকে দুর্গাপুর আসানসোল পুলিশ কমিশনারকে 35খানা বাইক দেওয়া হলো। বর্তমান সভাপতি নির্বাচিত হয়েছেন, সঙ্গে রয়েছেন আমাদের জয়েন্ট সেক্রেটারি তরুণ কান্তি ওনার, এবং তাছাড়া আমার সমস্ত সাংবাদিক বন্ধুরা এবং দত্ত অটোমোবাইলের অনবদা উত্তমদা থেকে শুরু করে সকল কর্মচারী এবং প্রত্যেককে আমি ধন্যবাদ এবং শুভেচ্ছা জানাচ্ছি। এবং
আসতে পারবেন না, তাই তাদেরকে ক্যামেরার ওপার থেকে রেখেই বললাম, এবং সামনে এপারে আমরা সবাই বলি আমরা শাহরুখ খানের পাশে দাঁড়িয়ে ছবি তুলেছি, আমরা সবাই বলি যে আমরা সবাই এই মানুষটার পাশে দাঁড়িয়ে ছবি তুলেছি। আমরা কোভিড সিচুয়েশন থেকে শুরু করে আজকের দিন পর্যন্ত প্রত্যেকটা মুহূর্তে এই সমস্ত রিয়েল স্টারদের পাশে দাঁড়িয়ে ছবি তোলার একটা অপরচুনিটি পাচ্ছে, এটা আমাদের কাছে বিশাল বড় প্রাপ্তি। একবার জোরে হাততালি চাইবো আমার সামনের মানুষগুলোর জন্য এবং ক্যামেরার ওপারে মানুষগুলোর জন্য, যারা নিরলস ভাবে প্রত্যেকটা মুহূর্তে এই সমস্ত তথ্য দর্শকদের কাছে তুলে ধরছেন। অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ, অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ।
So guys, that was the small cinematics and small video which I did today. Well, this was not a huge vlog or a big video, it was just a small video, and I hope I could give you a clear view of what happened today. And it was a great initiative actually, which I feel, and initiative like this should be taken up by companies, and yes, Indian companies doing this for the Indian people. It's a great thing to see like this, and I would love to see companies like foreign companies which are coming in India and earning from, you know, the earning in India. They take up such initiative to be with the people, to help the people and serve the people. Yes, earning and doing business is another thing, and working for the people is another thing. And I have always seen companies like Hero MotoCorp, Tata Motors, Mahindra. They are always there with the people, and yes, during the COVID also there was a lot of support from this company's side, and well, yes, that's a great thing, that doing something for the people. It's not only about earning, and yes, giving quality products and working for the people. And it's a big thumbs up from my side to all these companies, and I salute them for their continuous support. And yes, I hope you like it, and if you like this video, you know what to do: like, comment, share and subscribe to Automania, and do not forget to press the bell notification icon. Yes, this was it was not an pure on vlogging or any review. It was just an event, and I tried to give my experience and what I feel about it to my viewers, and that's it. And guys, let me know how's the camera quality, if you like it. And yes, there are some setting changes which I did, and some money which I spent to just for this quality. Anyways guys, the details, this is Datta Automobiles Durgapur Private Limited, and it is in Durgapur, and many other regions around this area we have Datta Automobiles, and the details are coming right here: the phone number, the contact number, and the overall details are coming over here, so you can contact them, call them for the best to best prices if you need any Hero MotoCorp motorcycles. And for me, my favorite is all time, you know, as I already said you before, it's the Xpulse 204V, and I'm pretty sure I'll be getting that very soon. Like, that is I cannot resist Xpulses, you know, that is the perfect bike. You can take everywhere, just the height is too much. If you can manage it, that's the best motorcycle for India and made in India. Yes guys, let me know your comments, what do you feel about this, the Hero MotoCorp, and in case of any queries, do contact the number given below. That brings me to the end of this episode of Automania, and as I always say, wear helmets when you're riding, wear your seatbelts while driving, and never drink and drive. This is Postal Manager. You are watching Automania, signing off. Ta-da!